Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can hide completed tasks in your Notion databases and pages or tables. So let us dive right into it and show you how to do it, guys. It is actually absolutely no rocket science. So head over to Notion, access your database or table or project, and let me go with that database here with that table resembling a couple of tasks I created for demonstration purposes. So each task has a status and also a due date. And now I would like to hide or filter out these complete tasks, task 3 and 4, because they have already been done or complete and due date. So this is how you can do it, guys. You will need to add a filter to your table. To do that, simply click on filter here above the table or click into that button in the top right corner, filter, just like that, and select status as your filter property or value. And after that, here in the top left, you will see that filter. So here you may, for example, select not started yet or not started, and also in progress to see only these. And if you unselect complete or done, you will see that these done or complete tasks won't be shown, or basically technically they will be hidden. And that's basically it. That's how you hide complete tasks on Notion. So to clear the selection, guys, simply click into your applied filter here in the top left and either unselect these values or properties or simply click into clear selection here. And that's it. That's how it works. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.